Thank you so much for joining me today. We really appreciate your time. I just wanted to ask you a few questions, okay?
All right.
Why did you go solar?
I just wanted to help with the environment.
That's perfect, as many of our customers have decided as well. Now, have you told any of your friends or neighbors to go with green home system?
Yeah, I already talked with them.
Perfect. Thank you so much. And we really appreciate that. Now, how did you hear about us? Was it online, through a friend, or Facebook?
I seen it on internet.
Perfect. Well, we thank you so much, and we really appreciate you being one of our customers.
Thank you.
Thank you.